Hi everyone, I'm Arun Malve and welcome back to gudshuis. If you're enjoying this tutorial so far and learning something new, take a quick moment to like, share and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon.
Welcome back, techies. Today we are flashing things, but legally and safely using Balena Etcher. And guess what? We're loading the mighty Proxmox ISO to build our own home data empire. So let's get started. So step one, for the Brave soldiers, open the Brave browser, type in the Brave word in the search. And once you type in, open the Brave browser and type in the keyword, which is Balena Etcher on the banana catcher, not the banana catcher. Click on the first genuine result, which is not the malware official website or anything like that. So you land to the website, and once you scroll down to the download Etcher, download the DMG file for the Mac OS. You also have it for the Windows. Click on the download, and once you see the download with the tag on the name, and once it's completed, you will see in the top right corner, okay, that it's been downloaded. So what's the magical part here is like the classic, I would say, like you need to just do a drag and drop, okay, into applications folder. So make Steve Jobs proud after doing that. Okay, so let's move on to launch the Etcher. So open the torch and type in the Balena Etcher, and you will see the first option which says like Balena Etcher. It'll ask some trusted information, like click on OK if you're opening it for the first time after download. And once you see the application coming up, so let's wait, it's still opening up, and boom, ready to flash. So I can see the application is launched, and you can see some of the options like flash from the file and other options as well. So to test it, what we're going to do is we're going to download the Proxmox ISO. Let's type in Proxmox and click on the first option tab. It says Proxmox open source, yeah, and Proxmox virtual environment. And once you go there, scroll down, you will see some features, enterprise support and other things. And once you see Proxmox ISO installer, latest release is 8.4, and click on download. And you would see, once you click on save, on the top right corner, you'll be able to see like it started downloading. You always follow the official website, okay? Do not go to any other website to download. Follow my instructions and you'll be there, okay? And to start the process of the flash, so what we're going to do is we're going to wait for it to complete the download. I see the bandwidth is good, it's going fast, like a flash, I would say. So let's wait, save it for, yeah, let's wait, okay? And once it's completed, we're going to move forward as well. And yeah, so it's almost there. So while waiting for the flash to finish, you can rename your USB drive or work on it, or you can also subscribe to my channel. Until then, yeah, click on the first tab which says flash to save to the Proxmox ISO file which we just downloaded, and select the location or the target, you could say, where we're going to place it. So it's the USB Kingston data traveler USB drive, which I'm going to select it. And also please don't forget to check out my other video where I have clean up the drive, or if you're unable to see that USB drive is being able to detect on the Mac. So if there are any errors, you can check out my other video and you can follow step-by-step guide there. Okay, there is an authentication required for this. Like, let me type in my password of the laptop, and then you should see it will start to flash, I would say. Okay, there is a notification. Would you like to? Yeah. Okay. So until this is moving forward, like the USB is now being bootable, okay? It will be bootable. So we need to wait for it to complete the whole process. So once we click on like flash from the file and selected the Proxmox ISO, and click on the select target. So we have also chosen our USB drive, which is like Kingston. It should be at least like 4 GB or minimum like to get the ISO image. If not, if it's like less than that, then you might face some challenges. Okay, and then we have clicked on the flash, and we have to sit back, and if you want to grab a popcorn, or better check out my other videos while it writes, or you can also subscribe to my channel till then. Okay, and once it's completed, it will say like it's successfully finished. So what quick facts breaks is like between the USB and the software information about here is like this USB will now be bootable. Okay, meaning it can wake up your server like a coffee wakes up. Okay, so for Proxmox VE, it's your gateway to running virtual machines, containers, and even Homelab servers or Homelab empires. So Balena Etcher is like free, open source, and practically foolproof. So unless you flash your fridge, don't. So yeah, let's move on to the final step. What we're going to do here is like once the flash is completed, I can see that it's completed. So you can unplug the USB drive safely. Don't yank it like a power more, I would say, and then move it back and peek inside to see if you have all the files in there. So you see it, Proxmox ISO content, then mission accomplished. So everything is there. I would see that. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to more tech loves and also flash guides, the safe kind and Homelab hacks. Check out my other videos as well. Okay, drop a like if you are a USB didn't explode, or if you have any challenges, we can still talk with the comments on it. What's the weirdest thing you have ever flashed within the USB drive? Okay, thank you very much, and see you in the next video.
This video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Good Shoes. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.